upgrade your old furnace or boiler to a more energy-efficient heating system with WK Mechanical Installation Professionals. Elevate your indoor climate with our premium heating and cooling solutions, backed by exceptional service and competitive pricing. Experience the reliability of top brands like Mitsubishi Electric for energy-efficient performance you can trust. Ready for worry-free heating and cooling in every season? Contact WK Mechanical today for a free in-home consultation and experience the ultimate in indoor comfort and efficiency.